Hello everyone, welcome to part 6 of the story of this course on electrical designing and modeling. Okay, so in earlier versions, earlier classes, I showed you how to create spaces, winning the architectural file. We did a lot of good job, isn't it? Yeah. We also created this electrical lighting, sub-discipline, level 1 roof, whatever. Okay. Now, our aim is to design, or let's say, design and put the lighting fixtures in the correct number. Okay, it's not just, we put 1 or 2. It depends on the requirement, isn't it, and the standard. Anyhow, so the story is as follows. We have a requirement. I will just show you. This is the requirement that each room, or office space, or space, considered as space, should have so much lux. Okay? So what we've done in the previous video is when you click this, we've created this required lighting level. Okay, so I think one of the most easiest method to do or fill in these blanks is by creating a schedule. See, there are different ways to create a schedule. Okay, these are called views, right? So I have to go to the view tab. Okay, and find your friend schedule and create new schedule. This method is good. This is what is the official method. Go and view, blah blah blah. But in my opinion, I think this is kind of headache. Headache in the sense time waste. John loves to make things more efficient, more easy. Efficient is the word. Easy is not the word. It's efficient, isn't it? So how do you create a schedule without going to the view tab? And if you've seen my couple of previous videos, you've seen that I never go here, so I had to search for it. Anyhow, so the story is as follows. You go to your schedule here, go to your project browser. If suppose your project browser is closed by mistake, like this happens, there are different methods to bring him back. I can bring him back. Right click, you can click browser and project browser. Okay, one method is this. He says you want, no, I said I want to save it. Okay, actually you need to save it, but Okay, right click, new schedule. This is one of the easiest method to do it. Okay. We're working on spaces, right? Yeah, so click space. Type S and click space. You want to create a schedule key and call him key schedule. Okay. To create is space. You want it to be lighting requirement, right? Yeah. Okay. What is the space called? It's not the space type, it is called lighting. Sean, you're skipping words. Lighting requirement. Okay, and click OK. Okay, we are playing with what? We are playing with our desired required. So just type required. I remember I used required. Beautiful. Okay, click OK. Space lighting requirement key name. I don't want key name, so what I can do is go to formatting. Instead of we can say space name. Oh yeah, space name or electrical space name. Okay. So this will change this name and we will add items to it. Okay, if it is not resize. Okay, show you another method is it's not AutoCAD. Sorry. Okay. Alright. This looks better, right? Okay. Now what we want to do is we want to insert some rows. So just click here. Sorry. We'll have to fill in this blank. Okay, so the private room requires so much lux and whatever. Okay, I will fill it, and maybe in the next class we will see how to do it. Filling is nothing simple. Just add here 1 private room. Sorry, private office. How much is it? 325. Okay. So what we'll do is I'll fill everything, and maybe in the next class or something in part which is 6, is it 6 right or 7? 6 I guess. The next part we will see what I'll add more everything, and we will see each other in part 6, okay? Or the next part. I've lost count actually. Anyway, hope everybody enjoyed this class, how to create schedule, everything, okay? So in the next class something I will fill in everything and start assigning them to spaces, maybe create a legend. Okay, we all see each other in the next class. Yeah, bye.